KGB's Secret Alien Files, a glimpse into Cold War UFO secrets and extraterrestrial intrigue. The Soviet Union during the Cold War was a land of mystery, power, and paranoia. Hidden behind the Iron Curtain, it became the subject of countless conspiracy theories and secret operations. One of the most captivating and enigmatic claims from that era is the idea that the KGB, the Soviet Union's secret police and intelligence agency, had extensive classified files about extraterrestrial life and UFO phenomena. Although the KGB, Committee for State Security, officially dissolved in 1991 along with the USSR, its rumored secret alien files have become a cornerstone in UFO and alien conspiracy theories. Allegations of UFO crashes, alien autopsies, recovered spacecraft, and hidden communications with otherworldly civilizations have intrigued researchers and believers worldwide. This essay will explore the origin of these claims, the content of the alleged documents, specific incidents, criticisms, and the ongoing legacy of these mysterious files. Context: UFOs behind the Iron Curtain. To understand the rumors surrounding the KGB's secret alien files, we must consider the historical backdrop. During the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union were engaged in a high-stakes battle for technological, military, and ideological supremacy. Both sides developed intense aerospace research and espionage networks, and anything unexplained in the skies often triggered national security fears. In the West, reports of UFOs surged after 1947, notably with the Roswell incident. In the USSR, similar reports were often classified and censored, fueling theories of secret encounters with aliens. While the Soviet public knew little about these incidents due to state control over media, military and intelligence officials reportedly gathered vast archives of UFO data, including crashed craft and alien encounters. Underscore 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 2. The Secret Files, Leaked Footage and Documents. The most famous claims regarding the KGB's alien files emerged after the fall of the Soviet Union in 1991. As government control weakened, a trickle of classified information began to leak, including A. The 1969 Sverdlovsk UFO crash. This is perhaps the most sensational story involving supposed KGB alien involvement. The core claims include: in March 1969, a UFO reportedly crashed near Sverdlovsk, now Ekaterinburg. Soviet military forces arrived at the scene, cordoned off the area, and recovered a partially intact craft along with the body of a small, humanoid alien being. Allegedly, the remains were sent to a top-secret facility for autopsy and analysis. In the 1990s, grainy black-and-white footage surfaced, showing a supposed alien autopsy conducted by Soviet doctors in protective suits. The footage was later included in a documentary called The Secret KGB UFO Files, which aired on U.S. television in 1998. While critics dismissed it as a hoax, others pointed out that the video quality, clothing, and instruments appeared convincingly Soviet in origin. B. Project Setka and Project Galactica. According to Russian military insiders, the Soviet government launched two major UFO investigation programs. Project Setka, grid a collaboration between the Ministry of Defense and the Academy of Sciences in the late 1970s and 1980s to collect, analyze, and investigate UFO phenomena, especially those witnessed near military bases or nuclear sites. Project Galactica, allegedly focused on space phenomena and anomalies beyond Earth, including monitoring signals from deep space and studying theoretical alien civilizations. While little documentation from these projects has surfaced, some former Soviet scientists have hinted at their involvement in such efforts. C. The M-Triangle Files. The M-Triangle, is a region near the Ural Mountains where locals and military personnel reportedly observed repeated UFO sightings, electromagnetic anomalies, and health effects. The KGB allegedly maintained classified reports on this region, detailing mysterious lights, missing time incidents, and unexplained injuries. 3. Other key allegations and reports. A. Alien technology retrieval. Some accounts claim that Soviet agents recovered fragments of alien technology, which were reverse-engineered at hidden labs, similar to claims about Area 51 in the United States. These include metal alloys with unknown isotopic ratios and devices emitting anti-gravity effects. B. Interrogations and autopsies. Like the American Alien Autopsy video, there are stories of KGB-directed dissections of extraterrestrial bodies, with high-ranking officials supposedly present. In one case, an alien was said to have briefly regained consciousness during the procedure before dying. C. Telepathic communication experiments. During the 1970s and 1980s, the USSR invested heavily in parapsychology, including experiments in remote viewing, telepathy, and psychic warfare. Some files allegedly describe Soviet attempts to communicate with alien beings telepathically, using gifted psychics. 4. Whistleblowers and testimonies. Several former Soviet and Russian officials have hinted at alien-related secrecy. A. Vladimir Azaza. A prominent physicist and UFO researcher, Azaza claimed that the Soviet military tracked hundreds of UFOs, and many top-ranking officers considered them non-human in origin. B. Colonel Boris Sokolov. A former investigator in the Ministry of Defense, Sokolov claimed he was ordered to collect UFO reports across the USSR. He described a pattern of sightings that defied any known technological explanation. C. Georgy Grechko. A Soviet cosmonaut, Grechko hinted in interviews that cosmonauts had encountered unexplained objects in space, though he avoided making direct claims about aliens. 5. Skepticism and criticism. While the stories are captivating, many skeptics raise valid concerns. A. Lack of verifiable evidence. Most of the documents and footage lack authentication. There's no chain of custody, no physical proof of alien bodies or technology, and no officially declassified files from the Russian government. B. Possible disinformation. Some believe the Soviet Union may have fabricated UFO stories to confuse or distract foreign intelligence agencies, a form of psychological warfare. Others suggest that Western intelligence may have done the same about Soviet files. C. Commercial hoaxes. With the fall of the USSR, many people sought to profit from newfound freedom, selling leaked materials, stories, and supposed evidence to Western media, especially during the 1990s UFO boom. Underscore 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 underscore. 6. Legacy and continued fascination. Despite the lack of hard proof, the idea of KGB alien files continues to thrive in books, online forums, and documentaries. The mystery is fueled by Russia's continued secrecy regarding military records, the global rise of interest in government UFO disclosures, recent U.S. Pentagon admissions that unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, are real and worthy of investigation. Many in the UFO community believe the truth lies buried in Russian military archives, perhaps locked away in modern successors like the FSB, Federal Security Service. Underscore 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 underscore. Conclusion. Whether a historical truth, a Cold War disinformation strategy, or a cultural myth, the story of the KGB's secret alien files remains one of the most compelling in the annals of UFO lore. It represents a collision of science fiction, geopolitics, and deep human curiosity about our place in the universe. If the files exist, they could reshape everything we know about contact with intelligent life. Until then, they serve as a powerful symbol of Cold War secrecy, extraterrestrial intrigue, and the enduring mystery of the unknown.